Hi everyone, how are you today? Welcome to Soma's Makeup Diary. Are you excited for some colors and creativity? I am absolutely excited. As you all know, I'm a color lover. Absolutely excited because of these colorful swatches. I just want to jump into all these colors and create something creative, something beautiful. And the theme is mermaid. You know, I'm inspired by something which is totally unique in itself. Let me show you. These are my favorite earrings, jewelry, ornament. Okay, and I love it because of the colors and because of the pattern. Look how it changes. Beautiful mermaid shades, and I wanted to create a look with all the colors. Yeah, let's see, it'll be fun, exciting. So these are the colors which I want to use today: pink, berry, purple, this rich blue, this lavender purple, this bright blue, and this silver kind of shade. Okay, these three are satin and these three are matte shades. Super excited. I'm going to start with that beautiful pink tone because look at this. I hope you can see the colors. Every day I'm wearing it because this is my favorite. It never occurred to me that yeah, I can do something with these colors. And today I suddenly realized why not. So I'm super excited because I got that idea, and I'm super excited because I have all the colors that I wanted to play with. So yeah, transition shade will be this beautiful pink. Search for these colors in your makeup collection and let's get started. Concentrating on the transition area, which is above the crease area, right there. You can see the excitement on my face. I mean, it is my makeup playtime. I am very excited, that is true, but these colors, look at them. Oh, amazing, right? Okay, crease area done. Very gentle application here. I don't want to apply too much of that bright pink because there are so many colors to go. Berry, purpley shade. Anything purple, if you have in your collection, just light-handed application on my crease area. So today I'm using two shades, one for my crease area and the other one is for my transition area. And now you need to tell me which one is for crease area and which one is for transition area on the comment section. Just kidding. It's your makeup playtime too, so play with the colors. And even if you are changing the transition color with the crease color and having your makeup fun time, I'm okay with that. That's the fun part, right? Playing with all the colors, blending them with each other and see the effect. Amazing effect. Color lovers, makeup lovers, it's our makeup playtime, right? Next, I'm going to take that rich blue shade. I'm not changing my brush today, using the same brush, and I'm patting it right here. Yeah, look at that. You know what? I get so excited about the fact that whenever I pick up a theme, I will search for all the colors, all the possible combinations it has, and I will search for those colors in my makeup collection. Okay, and when I get those colors in my collection, even if it is not the exact match, even if it is a little bit lighter or darker than the theme color, I want to use that and I want to see how I can make use of that color and create that combination. That way every day I get to use a different color And every day I get very excited about creating something unique, something new. Isn't it a unique combination? Next I'm going to take my, this shade is lovely too. This beautiful bright blue. Overlapping that blue, okay? And taking it towards the inner corner of my eyelid. Awesome. I had these colors in my collection, okay, but I never thought of using them together. These 6 colors may be different looks, but together, this combination, that is pretty unique to me. The lavender or this beautiful silver. I think I'm going to go with the lavender first. Taking this smallest brush, dipping into that lavender purple and that innermost part which was left covered. Yeah. How many colors do you usually use when you create an eye look? 4, 5, 2, 1, just random numbers. Okay, now the silver and my inner pop, and I'm going to line my lower lash line with that. Almost there, my friends. I think this will show up a little better when I'm done with my liner and my mascara. Alright, my friends, I have lined my eyes and curled my lashes, applying couple of coats of mascara, and I am pretty mesmerized with this look. Let me know about your makeup experiences. Let me know about your fun color. Just amazing. Exciting look. This is really fun. Wing liner, it was going with the look. A matte black eyeliner pencil on the lower lash line. And now you know I'm going to do something creative on the lower lash line as well. Today I am pretty happy with that bright blue, the rich blue, and I'm going to do something with that. Connecting the crease color, the transition color with my lower lash line. Blue, blue, blue. I'm just dabbing here, okay? See, I'm overlapping that beautiful silver shade with this blue, okay? So it is a little bit of black, silver and blue, and I'm pretty happy with it. Now I'm going to take this silver one more time. It is actually very sparkly, very shimmery, and right there. Look at that. It's a beautiful party look, yeah. And at the same time, it's a fun look. So, party or no party, I'm going to rock this look. And taking that shimmery silver shade right here as well. A little bit mermaid touch. Not much, just a pinch of it. I think I am pretty mesmerized, very happy, and very satisfied because it is colors and creativity mixed in together. You all know that you are welcome to Soma's Makeup Diary every single day to watch fun makeup tutorials, right? So I'll be right here with you tomorrow with another fun theme, and we'll do something creative together. So yeah, bye for now. Have fun and rock this look. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know about your makeup experiences. Yeah, I would love to read about them on the comment section. Okay, see you soon. Bye for now. I'm going to rock this look. Awesome.